Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well and doing good. Today's recipe I'm sharing with you is spinach, potatoes, pakoras, onion bhajis. You will need the following ingredients. Here in a bowl I have 300 grams of spinach which I have finely sliced, 500 grams of besan, gram flour, 2 medium onions finely sliced, 3 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 potatoes finely sliced, 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 tablespoon of whole coriander seeds, green chilies to your taste. I have about 3-4 finely sliced, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of haldi, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of whole cumin. Right, in a bowl, add the potatoes, onions. Just give that a mix. Add the spices, cumin seeds, carom seeds, ajwain, coriander powder, chaat masala, chili flakes, haldi, turmeric, half a teaspoon, whole coriander seeds, green chilies, and salt. And the rice flour. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This gives a crispiness. It is a good mix. When we add the water, we have to be very careful how much we add, because the potatoes, the onions and the spinach all has water, like water consistency on there. After a good mix, going to add some brown flour gradually. Give it a good mix. You see I haven't even added the water yet and it's already dissolving. Add a little bit more. Basically as we need it. Now you can add a little bit of water, just a little bit at a time, gradually. And just give it a good mix. And continue until you get the consistency that you want. I'm also going to add some coriander, but that's optional. And just give it a good mix again. I didn't have to use much of the gram flour, as you can see. Right, this is the consistency that I like. Right, this is nicely mixed. Now I'm going to let this rest for about 5 to 10 minutes and then we'll fry them. If you think your oil is very hot, let's just turn the heat down. You want them to cook on medium heat so they can cook nicely, evenly from inside as well. You don't want them to have raw pakoras. So you can have as many size you want, small, medium. And let them cook for about at least 30 seconds, don't disturb them. After about a minute you can turn them. These have been frying for about 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, and these are ready to come out. Keep a little gaps as well, they're going to stick together. They should be served nice and hot. You can have a raita, you can have mint sauce, you can have any sauce of your choice. I'm just going to open one up. You can see they're fully cooked. I'm just going to try one now with some mint sauce, raita. Definitely lovely. They're really, really nice. You should try these pakoras. They're really nice. They're crispy. It's the rice flour that gives the crispiness and the baking powder. Thank you for watching my channel. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get the latest notification. Thank you for watching.